So, still working on these suspenders. See if we can't get those finished up. So the first thing I'm going to do is get these buckles situated. So use some rivets on these. I can hang on to the pieces. I use the rivet setting tool, Tandy Special. One down. Yep. And number 2. I always fight with which way the buckle goes on. I don't know how many times I've ended up putting it on and taking it off in the past. On different projects. This is pretty straightforward. I don't know if I did it on camera or off, but first time I put it on, it was the wrong way. I had the tongue facing the wrong direction. I really like these rivet caps too. They've kind of got a decorative pattern on them. I think I just got them on Amazon. I looked for them or some decorative ones. And maybe you guys, if you know of any, can leave a link or leave a post comment about where I can find decorative rivets. I looked on the Buckle Guy and Tandy. I think I got these on Amazon. All right. And then these, I'm going to punch. This one's the front. So punch one right there. After a while, you get pretty good at eyeballing placement. these where it's pretty much in the center every time. So here, come in just a little bit off the line. Using the same rivets, the front and the back, or for the entire project. Punch those holes just a little bit bigger. It's crazy that they go through the front side, but they won't go through the back unless you push it through. So, caps on here. Strap done. I'm going to size this one up just a hair. And approximately the same spot. Hate for them to be uneven.